Kunal ji, आपको मंच पे रुकना है. Yes, you need to give away the awards to some more awardees. Our next awardee, the next winner is Lensocrat, Rajesh Gupta, founder and creative director, known for framing love and luxury with precision. Please give him a big hand, everyone.
Next up,
Congratulations.
Rabta by Sri Bhagat Manni Ahuja, curating heartfelt narratives that make every wedding unforgettable. Next up, Ram Bhirmani Weddings. Next up, let's invite on stage Ram Bhirmani, founder capturing the essence of weddings with elegance and style. Ram Bhirmani.
Would request our winners, the awardees, to kindly walk towards your left and then get off the stage. Walk towards your left after receiving the award and then get off stage.
Next up, Reels and Frames Anand Rathi, founder, blending cinematic vision with artistic storytelling for memorable experiences. Anand Rathi.
Come on people, give it up for Anand Rathi!
Congratulations, Anand.
Thank you so much. Next up is Stories by Joseph Radhik. Joseph Radhik and Joshua Karte, co-founders, creative immersive wedding films that resonate with every emotion.
Congratulations. Next up, the wedding filmer, Vishal Punjabi, director, redefining luxury wedding cinematography with creativity and flair. A round of applause for Vishal Punjabi. Please, Vishal here.
Is Vishal here? Next up, Vows by Sidhu Soma. Sidhu Soma and Bhargavi Ambati, capturing intimate moments and turning them into lifelong memories. Thank you, Nahar Saab. Thank you so much for joining us on stage. To be here.
Okay, Varun, I'm going to request you to please stay back. वो कह रहा हमें अच्छा लगता है कि आप हर फ्रेम में लगें, just like your films as well. तो अभी तो सिर्फ वो शुरू है, थोड़ा सा एक्शन आया, थोड़ा सा कॉमेडी, अभी ड्रामा आएगा. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, weddings are not just events, they're stories, memories, and moments that last a lifetime. Now tonight, we honor the visionaries who capture these emotions into unforgettable narratives. Let's move forward. Okay, I'm going to request Manoj Mehta ji to please step up onto the stage. Manoj Mehta, known for his vibrant personality, sharp business acumen, he's guided MTC to global markets and sustainability at its core. A big round of applause for Manoj ji.
Thank you.
And now for this category, Pamela, we're going to honor people who not just design jewelry, they create jaw-dropping moments. Ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the jewelry. First up, next up, Bidhi Chand Ghanshyam Das, Yash Agarwal, celebrated for luxurious intricate jewelry that defines regal sophistication. Bidhi Chand Ghanshyam Das. Let's have a round of applause.
Thank you. Moving on. Next up, Hazuri Lal Legacy Jewelers. Sandeep Naram, renowned for heirloom-worthy pieces that tell stories of timeless opulence.
Sandeep Naram. Sandeep ji isn't here. Pamela, you want to receive the award on Sandeep ji's
I
award?
want to receive an award. I've never received an award in my life.
So Pamela is receiving the award on behalf of Sandeep. She will receive 30% lifetime discount on the jewelry.
No. क्या 30% lifetime or 30% of the share? Of the property share?
That's too much for receiving the award. देख आगे वो.
Ah, you can give me the award.
उधर देख.
At the
Pamela,
moment, Ravi, oh, she's here.
for 30%, they're like हम खुद ही ले लेंगे. इतना नहीं दे सकते हम. Next up, the House of Rose, Purnima Sheth and Viren Vaidya curating exquisite bridal collections that reflect artistry and elegance. The House of Rose. The House of Rose. Do we have someone to receive the award on their behalf? Okay. Artists, congratulations. Next up,
Raniwala 1881. Abhishek Raniwala, masters of creation that combine heritage techniques with contemporary luxury.
Abhishek, artist, congratulations. Good to see you here. Please join us. Rare heritage, Nakshatra Mehta, Monashi Singh blending heritage inspiration into modern finesse to create unforgettable pieces. Rare heritage.
Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, Venahi by Shri Ram Jewelers. Poonam Gupta designing unique and elegant jewelry that transforms weddings into magical experiences.
Artists, congratulations. Please join us. Congratulations. Manoj ji.
Thank you so much, Mr. Manoj Mehta, for joining us on stage. Thank you very much.
Manoj ji, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Varun, you have to stay back.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a big round of applause for our presenters. Thank you very much. All right. Let's move forward.
ये ऐसा लाइट से कैसा
arrived.
मार के भेज एडिटर भी पागल हो गया
The Great Indian Wedding Book, ladies and gentlemen.
Guys, you can do better than this. Half of you are featured in the book. Come on, a big round of applause.
Louder, louder. Thank you.
This book features some of the finest people a part of the wedding industry, except me and Pamela.
I know.
I'm just being honest. But hopefully next year we will be part of the Trailblazers. Let's have a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
We are really, really excited for the Great Indian Wedding Book.
And, you know, it looks beautiful, it looks fantastic. Very soon you too will also receive a copy of the same. Very soon. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. May I request Neha to please stay back with us on stage?
नेहा जी आप रुकिए कैसी हैं आप हाय कैसे हैं आप you know does it feel odd that you're not hosting because most of the weddings in India 70% of the weddings you host
Yeah, hi. Firstly, good evening, everyone. It's really fantastic to be here. What a crowd. And I'm hoping that one day I work with you at some point. And it's got nothing to do with my wedding because I'm done and dusted. But having said that, yes, it feels very odd to know that some other people are making more money than me on stage. I don't like it.
So I'm going to request you to stay back. You know, I've been asking the same question. I just want to ask you, what is that one song which will make you dance on the dance floor whenever you're at a wedding?
Can I have a question meanwhile? While Neha contemplates the answer?
Is that correct? Okay, Kalla Gori. Yeah. Am I supposed to dance now? Oh, okay, I was ready, but it's fine. No, okay. Look, that's normal. At every wedding show, this is normal. I was at a show yesterday and we decided hook steps, I promise you. We decided hook steps, I rehearsed all of them, and the DJ got the wrong playlist. I knew none of the hook steps, but it's fine. Our job is to make sure that, you know, we cover up. So whichever song he plays.
No, but I have a question before that cover up. You were a bride, right? You were a bride. And
Yes.
you were a beautiful bride. So my question to you is, no matter how many weddings you've hosted, no matter how many weddings you've been part of, you have been part of films, you know, the glamour industry. But still, what was so special about being a bride?
Oh, what was the most special part about being a bride? I mean, of course, that moment is just surreal. I think the mehndi went on for very long. The day I became a bride, the next morning, the best part is that I didn't hear the alarm clock. Usually when it's a shoot or something, I always hear the alarm clock. One is I was late. Second, the best thing about being married to Angad is that he has very little patience, and so do I. So we were done in about 1.5 hours, which is fantastic. And nobody over here will agree with me, but ours was a mini low-budget wedding with like 50 guests. So everybody here is like, I'm the worst spokesperson for the kind of wedding we should do. It wasn't a big fan Indian wedding, I promise you.
It wasn't a big fan.
No,
Indian
and it was
wedding.
decided in 4 days, so yeah.
But what about the butterflies in your stomach, the nervousness? Was it different for Neha Dhupia? Or was it same for Neha Dhupia, the bride?
I don't think I had space for butterflies in my stomach because I had a baby in my stomach the day I got married, so it was fine.
But was it still unnerving? I mean,
No,
you
it was
know.
great, it was great. You get married to your closest friend in the whole world and I promise you, it's just really comfortable. You would agree, right?
I completely agree. You know, in fact, the best thing which has happened to me post Shadi is I've become more patient. I've started to agree to everything. So I think it has helped me, you know, become a better, evolve a better human being. But that, given that, let's see if in case he's going to, जो भी गाना बजाएगा, Neha is going to teach us the hook step. जो भी, तू fanfare बजाएगा तो भी उस पे हो जाएगा. Oh, he's played that. she's going to teach us the hook step.
My gown
You
barely
know,
allows me to
hold on.
move.
You know who's a better dancer than me and Pamela? Atul and Prateek. They're the best dancers in town. Atul, Prateek, where are you? Prateek, it's such Atul also has to come up. We'll do 30 रुपए का डांस करेंगे, ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. ऊपर. Where's Atul? Where's Atul? No, we won't dance. We don't. Come on, let's have. I don't want to dance. It's fine. Can we have the music, please? I want everybody to have your hands up in the air. Come on, everybody. Let's applaud with the music. With the music. No, we won't dance. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. No, we won't dance for sure. I want to dance. They're like PK करूँगा, ऐसे नहीं करूँगा. We'll move on to having the next set of awards very quickly.
Thank you so much, Neha. Thank you so much. To present this award, this next category of awards, along with Neha, I would like to invite Mr. Manoj Mehta. Can we please give him a big hand?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, talking about the best destination, best wedding destinations and venues.
The first destination is Abu Dhabi. Prachi Das and Sarah Julie Ferry redefining luxury weddings with unforgettable experiences set against Abu Dhabi's iconic landmarks.
चलो back up.
Iconic destination. Thank you. Bahrain Tourism and Exhibitions Authority, Mr. Jabir Ali, showcasing Bahrain as a vibrant and enchanting destination for dream weddings. Bahrain Tourism and Exhibitions. So I'm going to request you to please join us.
Next up, Anantara Kalutara, Mr. Ashok Kumar crafting intimate and grand celebrations with a perfect blend of culture and luxury.